So hello everyone, welcome back to another particular lecture of our reagent chemistry course, and this is the class 13. So in this particular class, we are talking about different hydrogenation reactions such as the reduction of CO group to CH2 group. This is the nothing but a deoxygenation reactions. So we are actually talking about this particular reaction where the carbonyl compound, that CO, is actually reduced to the CH2 group, certain this. And to achieve this particular transformation, there is a three different pathways there. One is the Clemmenson reduction. Clemmenson reduction is actually the reaction condition for the Clemmenson reaction is zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl used. Another pathway is the Wolff-Kishner reduction. The Wolff-Kishner reduction is carried out via hydrogens and KOH. Also, there is a third process is there. This is called the mozingo reaction. Mozingo reaction is actually done via thiol and BF3. So let us discuss all of the reaction in details. First, let us talk about the Clemmenson reduction. Clemmenson reduction is a very versatile reaction, and actually it is a reduced ketone to alkene under strong acidic condition. That's why concentrated HCl is used, and the reaction condition is zinc amalgam, zinc mercury, and concentrated HCl. The interesting thing about this particular reaction is the mechanism of that particular reaction is not clarified properly till now. Okay, but there is the proposed one mechanism is there, and that particular proposed mechanism suggests an organozinc intermediate via set mechanism. Set mechanism is single electron transfer mechanism. So let us see that what is the actually proposed mechanism. So the initially this particular ketone is there, which actually takes the hydrogen that present in the concentrated HCl is there, so H plus is there. So it will actually taking H plus and getting this type of intermediate. Now this will go a radical transformation. Basically, that is zinc actually donated one electron to the electrophilic carbon here, and we get this particular intermediate. Then this zinc are actually attached with this particular carbon to get this our organozinc intermediate, and after that this bond actually cleaves by taking the extra proton present in the medium, and we got this type of intermediate. And this will again, zinc will donate one electron here to get this a negative charge, and then this particular negative charge will take the proton present in the medium to take this, and after that zinc actually cleaved, and one of the another proton is replace the zinc. So this is type of peculiar mechanism that actually given by the scientist, but it is still now not cleared, like not clarified, the verified mechanism, but there is a certain mechanism is given. Okay, so now let us talk about the second reaction, that is the Wolff-Kishner reaction. Wolff-Kishner reaction is a reaction where the carbonyl compound are getting the reduced to alkene under a strong basic condition. So in our previous Clemmenson reaction, the particular reaction condition is under strong acidic condition, but in the case of Wolff-Kishner reaction, the reaction condition is the strong basic condition. Okay, so the carbonyl compound is initially treated with excess of hydrazine to get the corresponding hydrazone, which upon heating in presence of base furnish the hydrocarbon. So what should be the mechanism of that particular reaction? So initially the hydrazine are actually attached here, and after rearrangement we got the corresponding hydrazones. Then the base actually abstract this particular proton, and we got this type of intermediate, and then after nitrogen elimination we got our desired alkenes here. So this is the typical mechanism of the Wolff-Kishner reaction. The third reaction that we are our topic of interest today is the mozingo reaction. Mozingo reaction is one of the key reactions to reduce carbonyl to alkane in neutral medium. So the Clemmenson is the acidic condition based reaction. Wolf Kishner is the base media condition or base mediated reaction, and the mozingo is the neutral medium mediated reactions. And reaction includes thiol in presence of Lewis acid, and after ranny nickel treatment will do the corresponding carbonyl to alkane. So the reaction is very similar, that the carbonyl are actually protected by the thiol group in presence of the Lewis acid. Lewis acid is nothing but increase the electrophilicity of this particular carbonyl compound. And then we got this type of protected carbonyl via thiol protection, we can say. And we know that after ranny nickel treatment, ranny nickel is known for the carbon sulfide bond cleavage. So ranny nickel cleave these two particular bond and replace via 2 hydrogen, and thus we got our corresponding alkanes from the carbonyl compound. So this is the mozingo reaction. Now we are talking about the MPV reduction. MPV reduction says that the reduction of ketones and aldehyde to their corresponding alcohol utilizing aluminium alkoxide catalyst in presence of a sacrificial alcohol. And this reaction is a highly chemoselective and environmentally friendly metal catalysis is used here. So this is our ketone, okay, and this is our sacrificing alcohol. Now these two react in presence of aluminium alkoxide to get this type of intermediate, where the aluminium actually chelate with both of the oxygen center here, and then the alcohol hydrogen are actually transferred to the corresponding ketone carbonyl carbon, and then we got our reduction of the ketone takes place, and the sacrificing alcohol becomes a ketone, a new carbonyl compound. Now this particular path, the forward path, is called the MPV reduction, and the reverse path is the open-wear oxidation. Open-wear oxidation says that particular alcohol to carbonyl compound via aluminium alkoxide is called the open-wear oxidation in presence of a sacrificial ketone, and MPV reduction says that the ketone or the carbonyl compound to alcohol formation in presence of aluminium alkoxide with a sacrificing alcohol. So this is the MPV reduction and open-wear oxidation. The both are actually, we can say, the opposite reactions. So with this we have to end our reduction completely. So next class onwards we are starting with the organometallic reagent, is the Grignard reagent. So thank you for listening.